This video tutorial I will explain parallel prefix method of arrays class which accept double array, from index, to index and double binary operator. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined double array. Then I have defined double binary operator. Then I am calling parallel prefix method of arrays class and passing double array and from indexes 0, which is this position, to indexes 3, which is this position. From index is inclusive and to index is exclusive, and also I am passing double binary operator object. What this parallel prefix method will do is it will update the double array content in this range based on double binary operator associative function. Here you can see the updated double array content. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.